Replacing this cabin air filter here for a 2012 Kia Optima. Let me show you where it's located and what it needs to do to replace it. So open the glove compartment and take the stuff out of here. And there is a knob right here, just twist it, and there is another one on this side, twist it and pull it, and that's it. And then there's a cover right there. You can squeeze these two clips here and pull the cover. This is the cover. Wow. My God, look how dirty this thing is. Let me just pull it out. 1 second. Let's see. Are you kidding me? My God, this is never been replaceable, looks like. I cannot believe my eye here. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Let me get the light and show you what's inside. Wow. I haven't seen filthy, disgusting filter like this in my life before. Look at this. Oh my God. Sure, there is some animal was chewing something there on the top of all this dirt. Wow. Comparing to this. This is insane. Alright, so this is all has to be cleaned up. I'm sure this is not the case in every car, but this is too much. Wow. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna clean all this. I'm gonna finish this job, but anyway, I just wanted to also make one point here. Just make sure when you install the filter, make sure you pay attention to those arrows. This is the airflow going this way. So in another sense, this is going this way with this parting down.
So how many fold jacks are you using?
With this parting down. That's the airflow. So as you see, the dirt was on the top of the filter, so the airflow is this way very much. Okay. So this is one of the filthiest filter I ever seen in my life. Okay, thank you for watching.